everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I'm back again with another tutorial. Now, if you remember the other day, I showed you how to make these lovely little folders that are designed to hold some little memories and mole cards and stuff, or whatever you wanted, I said, really. And can you see there where it isn't laminated? And obviously we didn't have to glue these down because they were laminated together. And I've had a few people ask if you could do them without that, so having that with lamination on. And yes, you can, and I'm going to show you how, but you're going to have to make them smaller, because this one measures, it's 6.5 inches, and then we've got a 2-inch little pocket, so that's 8.5 inches, and then it's 10 inches long. So I designed it that size because I wanted it to hold these, and I knew that these were the biggest things that were going to be in it. But what we're going to do today is we're going to make a one that's going to hold note cards and envelopes. So what I've done is I've already gone ahead and made 4 sweet little note cards, okay, and I've got the envelopes. I've just put some washi tape on them, and these are 4.25 by 6.5, and then obviously 4.25 by 3.25 when they're closed. And these are Stampin' Up! Ones, but they're smaller than the note cards. They're in the annual catalogue. So I've made 4 of them, and I thought these would make really nice little gifts. And then we've got 4 envelopes, and I've used the Animal Expedition paper, which is so sweet. So this needs to measure 9 inches by 7 inches, and I've got an A4 laminate pocket. So with the paper, what we're going to do is on the long side we're going to score it at 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. Okay, and then on the short side we are going to score it. It measures. Yeah, we're going to score it at 5. Make sure when you score it at 5 that your pattern, that the score line you're going to put in is going to be on the bottom. Okay, otherwise the pattern will be upside down. So again at 5. So you see what I mean? That score line there, make sure your paper is facing the right way. So we will just fold and burnish it before we put it in the laminator. So again, do what we did last time. We're going to take a fair sized wedge out of here, quite a good size one, so that you end up with that, okay? And the pattern's upside down, but I suppose if you minded that, just use a different paper. Alright, so what you want to do is, last time we put it in the laminating pocket like this. This time we're going to put it in open, okay? So I've got the A4 sheet, and I'm just going to pop it in. Just going to push it up to the side, and that's how we need to be putting it in. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly run this through because I've got the laminator ready. Okay, so that's what you will end up with. And then we're just going to trim all the big edges off that we don't need. Alright, so to get these in the bin. Okay, so you've now got that, okay? And what we need to do is we need to snip up here, but leave just a little bit of the lamination. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snip up here. So it kind of just releases these two little pockets. Alright, and then you're just going to fold and burnish. Well, we're going to fold it this way in the middle first, and then fold the two pockets up, and that's how you do it. If you're bothered about having a non-laminated piece there. Now we have to stick these pockets down ourselves now, okay? So let's give it a good burnish, and I'm also going to put another hole because I want to have some elastic on again this time. So I'm just going to kind of poke a hole where I think the middle is, or wherever you want the hole to be. Okay, that's the hole done. And I've the tape, we only need to stick down the two side pieces here. So I'm going to use some of this 1/8 of an inch tape. But you can glue it, I suppose, but it's going to have to be something strong, because this kind of thing can be tricky to stick because it's like thick plastic, and especially we're going to be filling the pockets with cards, so definitely use a strong tape or some strong glue. So just peel that off, and then you're just going to stick that to there, make sure it's stuck. I mean, you could put tape and glue on, and then the same there, stick that down. So that's that. And then for our, I've got some pink elastic, so oops, sorry, I'm just going to slot this through here like this. What I want to do this time is obviously we're going to have the elastic the same like I normally do, so I'm going to cut some off to about there, if I can catch it. And then I've got one of these sweet little tassels, and I'm going to slot a little tassel on. And then I'm going to also put this other piece through. Trim it off a bit. Once the ends go funny, it could be a nightmare to get them in. No, we're going to have something to poke it in with. doesn't want to go in. Oh, for goodness sake, come on. That's it. So we've got both ends going through. Just going to try and get them the same length roughly, and then just judge how much I need. Just probably way too much again. I need to pull this a bit tighter. Okay, so now we're going to just tie a little knot. And then just pull them tight. Gorgeous little tassel on as well now. So I'm just going to trim this off. Does that tie properly? Trim that off, and then it might be best to put 2 envelopes and 2 note cards on one side, and then 2 envelopes and 2 note cards in the other side. I mean, wouldn't that make just a gorgeous little gift? Another good craft fair item as well. Got our gorgeous little tassel, and obviously you can decorate it any way you want. They're nice and sturdy, and you haven't got the missing lamination piece, but it was only like that because I wanted mine taller. Obviously if you have it this size or this, you know, roughly smaller, you can have it where it's all laminated like this. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be back again on Sunday with the Swap Sunday. I said on my Facebook page today that I'm going to do on a Sunday I'm going to do any swaps that I've received, or possibly swaps that I've sent out, just so they're all together. And if there isn't any swaps, I'll probably just do something else. But I know this Sunday I've got 3 to show you up to now. So I hope you'll enjoy that. I just want to quickly say something as well. I don't normally mention anything, you know, I don't really say anything and stuff. But I just want to say, if you don't like what you see, or you don't like anything on this channel, don't watch it. It's as simple as that. Because it really annoyed me the other day, because I'd uploaded the video of the swap that I did with Gaynor. She sent me a beautiful swap, and I had to go back on about 2 minutes later to quickly edit it because I'd forgot to put our channel link in. And within those 2 minutes somebody had been on and hit the dislike. Now what annoyed me was the fact that you couldn't have watched that video within 2 minutes. So it's probably the same person who dislikes every single video I post, which fair enough, I don't really care. But what annoyed me was the fact that, you know, she took her time to send me this swap. It was beautiful, and within 2 minutes you'd been on and disliked it when you didn't even watch it. So that really annoys me. It really does. And why do you come on? Why do you watch it? Why do you come on just to dislike it? I mean, what are you trying to prove? It doesn't bother me one iota. I could not care less. but that really annoys me. So if you don't like it, don't watch it, simple as that. So that's all I wanted to say. So I will be back again on Sunday. So thank you for watching, take care and bye for now.